Hi guys! Today, in this video, you are going to learn how to enable developer options on your Android phone. To enable, first go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on About Device. Scroll down again and tap on the option that says Version. Here, find the option that says Version Number. However, if you are unable to find this option, go back to Settings and use the search bar to search for the version number. Once you find the option, quickly tap 7 times on the version number to enable developer options. Once the developer options are enabled, you will see a message that says, "You are now in a developer mode." That's it! Now the developer mode is enabled on your device. To find it, go to Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on System and Update. From here, you can see a new setting that says Developer Options. However, if you still can't find it, go back to Settings, use the search bar, and search for Developer Options. That's it. As you can see, the developer options are now enabled on your device. I hope you find this guide helpful. For more helpful tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel.